This little naughty little Loki thinks he's getting away with something right now. Don't you, Loki? Tearing into all that bread. Well, I left that bread there for you. He doesn't know it, but he thinks he's getting away with something. What are you doing with all that bread? What are you doing with all that bread? That is a lot of bread. That is a lot of bread. Ooh, we should feed that bread to the doves and the pigeons. What do you say? You want to go feed the pigeons? You want to go feed the pigeons? Yeah, you want to go feed the pigeons? Little mess maker. Look at the trail of mess maker. Say hi, Loki! She's still not talking yet. I mean, she's chirping, but she hasn't formed any words. She's trying. She's learning. Our other ringneck, Mika, he's way more far along than her. He's already trying to form words, but she's just starting to respond and let me know. She drops her toys. She's doing so good. She's growing up so fast. I can't believe it. She finally stopped molting. She was molting for a while. She got all her big girl feathers in. She's just got a couple little pin feathers, you know. Yeah, that's a little checkup on good old Loki today, huh? Little LokSTAR. She's a LokSTAR.